Hello, let's take a look at this ratio question. Mr. Ng had some red pens, blue pens, and green pens. The ratio of the number of red pens to the number of blue pens was 2 to 3. The ratio of the number of blue pens to the number of green pens was 9 to 7. After he gave away some green pens and bought 26 blue pens, the total number of blue pens and green pens decreased by 25%. In the end, the total number of red, blue, and green pens he had was 576. How many green pens did he give away? So the first thing we want to do is to write down the ratio that they have given us. We know that red to blue is 2 to 3, and blue to green is 9 to 7. So I'm just going to write it down here. Okay, since I know the number of blue pens is the same, no matter is in the first case or is the second case, the number of blue pens is the same. I want to make the number of units for the blue pens to be the same. So looking at the 3 and 9, the common multiple of 3 and 9 is 9. So I'm going to change it to 9. So I have a final ratio of 6 to 9 to 7. So after he gave away some green pens and bought 26 blue pens, so there's some kind of change. Now, there's a starting number, there's starting ratio, there's some kind of change in number of pens. So I want to draw a table. So after drawing a table, let me put in the initial numbers, the starting numbers, and the red at the start is 6 units, blue is 9 units, and the green is 7 units at the start. Now, he gave away some green pens. I do not know how many he gave away, right? And bought 26 blue pens. So I'm just going to write this, right? Bought 26 blue pens, but I don't know how many he gave away for green. In the end, the number of red, blue, and green, it decreased. The number of blue and green decreased by 25%. It's only the blue and green that decreased by 25%. So I look at blue and green, there is a total of 9 units and 7 units, which is 16 units. So 16 units, take away 25%, which means we are left with 75% of that 16 units, which is 12 units. All right, so, and I know in the end, the total number of red, blue, and green is 576. So let's take a look at total. There's no change in the number of red pens, right? So the number of red pens remain at 6 units. So we have a total of 18 units, and this is equals to 576. So how many green pens did he give away? To know this, we just have to look for 1 unit first, which is equals to 32. All right, and we know that there's a change of 4 units, right? Because in the beginning, blue and green has 16 units. In the end, there's 12 units. There's decrease in 4 units, which is a decrease in 128 pens. So what does that mean? The number of green pens he gave away, not only did he give away the exact same number 26, he gave additional 128 away. So the total number he gave away was this 26, right? Which is the same number as the blue plus additional 128. So there's a total decrease of 128 pens, and that will give us 154 pens given away. All right, so that's all for this question. See you again. Bye.